Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to check your Facebook login using your iPhone. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your Facebook app and click on menu or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. Then just go ahead and scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Then just go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now, I want you to do is to scroll down until you see the Security section. Then just go ahead and click on Security and Login. And then here you can see the Where You Are Logged In section. And you can see the See All button at the right side of it. So you want to click on that. And here you can see where you are logged in. So for example, you want to log out on device. Just go ahead and click on the three little dots at the right side of the device, okay? And click on log out. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.